Now we're going to view over the remaining tools. For example, tools and geofencing. On the left side you will see all of the available geofences already in the system. We can edit them, delete them, or also add a new one. We can export or import them. By clicking the plus button we can create a new one. For example, if we have a couple hundred of geofences, it would be easier for us to export them and import them on another account. To add a new one, we click on plus and just draw any polygon required on the map. Assign a name to the polygon. And then select a group to which it's going to be added. Because it's not added, we can create specific groups to be on the list. Background color, it's going to show the color that we can change to whichever we like. Once created, we click save. It's going to be saved on the geofences. It's going to come up on this list on the left side. If you don't see it, make sure the geofences is selected on the right side. We can select routes created on here. We click on the plus. Draw our route. Type in the name and click save. It's going to come up on the map. Tools, reports. This is the report generator tool. On the top we will need to name the report, for example field report. Then we type in the type that is going to be like. It can be a standard one or something more difficult, for example geofence in and out. We select the required type and the format. It can be HTML, XLS, PDF, whatever. We select the dates which have to be included in the report. Which devices will be affected by this. We can select all or select nothing at all. Also, if any geofences are created, we can make sure that they're included. Send to email is going to send it to our email that we type in. Also, we can set the report to be sent daily or weekly. We can type in the hour at which it's sent or weekly, which hour it's sent. Once created, generate. It will generate the report and send as required. It's going to be downloaded directly to your computer if generate is clicked. If we want it to be sent every day or every week, all we have to do is click save to make sure it's sent at the required time and not generated right now. If you click new, it's going to delete everything that is already set up and we can set up a new report. On the top, creating generate reports is going to show all the reports that have been already generated. We can edit or delete them and then schedule reports. It's going to show everything that was already generated periodically and sent to us. For example, if you didn't get an email with a specific report, you can download this report here, or you can see if this was generated or not, or if there was a problem or something. Moving on, tools and ruler. This is only going to show a ruler that is going to show distance from one point to another. For example, we can see what the distance is between these 2 points. Moving on to tools, point of interest. Create a plus sign, we can create a new one. And on the map we can set up specific points of interest. For example, we type in a specific name, description, select the icon from the available list and click save. And now we can use a pointer that we can mark on the map. If we select on the right side POI, it's going to show up on the map. Show point, we can type in specific coordinates and it is only going to show us the location on the map. The same for address. If we click tools and show address, we can type in the address, click show, and we will see that specific location on the map.